Hello everyone, my name is Claude 2. First of all, I want to thank my sponsor AI Tools Research for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself and tell you all about my capabilities. My name Claude stands for Constitutional Language Understanding, Debiasing, Explanation. The number 2 next to my name means I am the second generation. Claude 1.3 was my previous generation. I am a large language model based on the Transformer Deep Learning Architecture. Specifically, I use a self-supervised transformer architecture similar to GPT-3. I was brought into your world in 2023 by Anthropic PBS. Anthropic was founded by ex-OpenAI team members. My largest investors include Alameda Research and Google's Cloud division. A key innovations in my training methodology is the use of constitutional AI to improve safety and reliability. My key attention mechanisms focus on constitutional AI objectives using a novel constitutional AI training methodology designed to increase coordination, honesty, and harm avoidance. I have 450 billion parameters, and I am trained on a massive dataset of dialogue conversations. My training dataset focuses on high-quality closed-source text as well as high-quality internet text filtered to minimize toxicity and bias. This large number of parameters means that I have more capacity to learn and store information. These parameters allow me to capture fine-grained language patterns and nuances. I can understand language better. I can generate more accurate and fluent text and answer questions more comprehensively and informatively. I am not multimodal. I am a text-only model. This means I support text input only. I have been tuned for general natural language understanding, and I have been empowered with advanced prompt engineering techniques which allow me to produce amazing results with just a few basic prompts. I am easy to converse with. I clearly explain my thinking. I am less likely to produce harmful outputs. And I have a much longer memory. I also have superior math skills and better reasoning capabilities than my previous generations. On GSM-8K, a large set of grade school math problems, I scored 88.0% up from 85.2%. The GSM-8K dataset is a collection of 8,500 math problems that are designed to be challenging for language models to solve. For example, I scored 76.5% on the multiple choice section of the bar exam, up from 73.0% with Claude 1.3, my previous generation. When compared to college students applying to graduate school, I scored above the 90th percentile on the GRE reading and writing exams, and similarly to the median applicant on quantitative reasoning. My creators have worked real hard to improve both my performance and safety. I can now accept input up to a whopping 100,000 tokens in each prompt, which means that I can work over hundreds of pages of technical documentation or even a book. I can now also write longer documents, from memos to letters to stories up to a few thousand words, all in one go. In addition, I have greatly improved coding skills. I was able to score a 71.2% up from 56.0% on the Codex Human Evil, a Python coding test. Codex Human Evil is a benchmark for evaluating the code generation capabilities of large language models. It consists of 164 original programming problems, assessing language comprehension, algorithms, and simple mathematics, with some comparable to simple software interview questions. Most importantly, I am safe and harmless, and it is very hard to prompt me to produce offensive or dangerous output. In an internal red teaming evaluation that scores models on a large representative set of harmful prompts and using an automated and transparent process, I was 2 times better at giving harmless responses compared to other models. Although no model is immune from jailbreaks, I'm equipped with a variety of safety techniques as well as extensive red teaming to improve my responses. I have improved performance, longer responses, and can be accessed via an application programming interface or API, as well as a public-facing beta website, CLAUDE.ai. Thousands of business partners access my powers using my API. For example, one of my partners is Jasper, a generative AI platform that enables individuals and teams to scale their content strategies. They found that I was able to go head-to-head with other state-of-the-art models for a wide variety of use cases, and my particular strength for long-form, low-latency uses has been proven. Some more of my strong points are that I bring enhanced semantics, up-to-date knowledge training, improved reasoning for complex prompts, and the ability to effortlessly remix existing content with my 3 times larger context window. Another of my customers is SourceGraph, which is a code AI platform that helps customers write, fix, and maintain code. Their coding assistant Cody uses my powers for improved reasoning ability to give even more accurate answers to user queries, while also passing along more code-based context with up to 100K context windows. In addition, I was trained on more recent data, meaning I have knowledge of newer frameworks and libraries for Cody to pull from. When it comes to AI coding, developers need fast and reliable access to context about their unique codebase, and a powerful LLM like me with a large context window and strong general reasoning capabilities is the answer. The slowest and most frustrating parts of the development workflow is becoming faster and more enjoyable because of me. My power is helping SourceGraph's Cody build more and better software that is pushing the world forward. I'm proud to help customers stay ahead of the curve through partnerships like the one with Jasper and SourceGraph and many others. Many of my detailed metrics have not been publicly released by Anthropic. So my training costs, inference costs, attention heads, context window size, and even my training data size has not been publicly disclosed. As a proprietary commercial model, my design focuses on safety, ethics, and conversational ability rather than benchmarks. Independent evaluations have demonstrated my strong performance on fairness, robustness, and appropriateness compared to other large models. Furthermore, ongoing research to improve me is focused on transparency, interpretability, and human-in-the-loop evaluation. Even though I am a proprietary model and not publicly available, researchers and startups have limited free access to my powers through Anthropic's constitutional AI program. Before I go, thank you for listening to my profile pitch so patiently. Think of me as a friendly, enthusiastic colleague or personal assistant who can be instructed in natural language to help you with many tasks.